What's up, fun family?
This is gonna be the first fork in the road.
I got a big rock.
So we go right or we go left? What do you think?
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Left. We had to say hat. We had to say hat. And I was just gonna tell you to bring a bike.
The terrain is too rough. You can't come in with a bike.
Oh.
The trails. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Careful with the rocks, Ning. We're on a search for the waterfall. Once we get to the waterfall, we'll be able to hang out and rest and skip rocks. People are saying this trail's a little tough. Let's see if we can endure the toughness. It's gonna be a big payoff though. Everybody's saying that the waterfall is amazing. How you guys doing? Good?
Good. I think I'm starting to sweat.
You too? Huh? Whoa. Whoa, go. Go, go, go. Go, whoa, whoa. Oh, you can see it getting greener over there. That looks nice.
Yeah, that is so pretty. Imagine like we can jump in and throw rocks. Imagine there's no...
You can actually get in. Whoa. That'd be really tough going all the way to the top.
Bro, look at how far we went.
Should be okay. Family fun time! Woo! Where's that enthusiasm? Family fun time! Okay. Maybe once we get to the green, then we'll have a little more enthusiasm. They're not by themselves, they're together. The first water delivery system. Whoa.
Oh, Papa. I need to eat. I can't eat.
You guys want some water?
Mama.
Rock?
Yeah.
Piedra.
Well, how did you get up there? I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Whoa, look at you.
Yeah. Mama. Yeah. Mama. Yeah.
Un agua poquito.
Yeah.
Piedra. No,
Snack?
no.
We gotta wait until we get to the waterfall to get a snack. Then you're gonna be full and you're not gonna want to keep going. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. How you doing, my little bougie?
Yeah.
Good? All right, look at you. Oh yeah, careful. Big food?
I think we're gonna get lost.
No, just stay on the trail and we won't get lost. Hey, what you doing up there, man? Not gonna walk? Now that's the definition of family fun. Sue! Are you having fun up there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would be too, just chilling up there.
Yeah.
Well, daddy duty's never over. Oh, thank you. Duende, are you having a good time, buddy? Yeah. Little feet, little feet. Careful. Whoa. Little heart, big adventure. You got it?
Yep.
Yeah? What'd you find, Mama? Lando! Oh yeah. Guys ready for some snacks?
What's up, guys?
Healthy snack attack?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. Oh, you too? Peanut butter and jelly? What about you?
Peanut butter and jelly.
And Papa? Peanut butter and jelly.
Can I do that?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Can I do that?
Jelly.
They want to try it. Peanut butter jelly.
Rough hike?
Yeah.
A little rough, huh?
Yeah.
At least we got some good snacks to refuel. The hike ended up being a little further than what we expected. And a little steeper too.
We had snacks the last time, but we didn't have pants. We didn't have sunscreen.
I think this time we were a little more prepared with stuff and how we came. But physically and mentally, we weren't prepared for it, huh? We thought it was gonna be a little easier.
We thought that it was going to be easy to walk for 1 week.
No, well, we knew it was gonna be a little hard, but we didn't know it was gonna be that much harder, or as hard as it was. So we still had a long ways back, but I think that's gonna be our goal, right? We're gonna set that as a goal to make it to the top, make it to the waterfall. Family fun adventures.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big goal, make it to the waterfall. Right?
Yeah.
So for now, that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining our family fun.
See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.